Hello, this is Shashikant, and in this video I am going to draw a memory drawing composition. But what do I mean by composition? Composition is a very broad but important term in art. Art is not just about being able to accurately render a scene. Composition in art is essentially the arrangement of visual elements using various principles and techniques. It is just often used to describe the overall design of a painting. To draw or paint any composition, you need to understand the visual elements of art. A lady I have drawn there, I would make her sit on a bench. The lady will be our main figure or the focus point of this composition. The second figure is a man who is sitting on the bench again. That shoulder should be little bit down. I have made that mistake. You need to have a focus point in your composition. We can call it the center of interest or the focus or golden point, so it will prevent your composition from becoming a pattern itself. Then I'm going to draw some background here, of course the bench first where they are sitting. Now I just want to fill the composition with some more figures, and here I'm going to draw a lady standing over there, but I don't know why she's standing. I really don't have any idea. I just want to feel it, so I have drawn a figure there, and they might not have any contact with each other, but still she's holding a bouquet or some flowers in her hands. This composition is having only 3 figures. You should avoid this. You should add some more figures in the background. Of course you have to pay a little bit attention towards the background scenery. Not much detailed background, but still it should look nice. Then I have used sap green color to show the greenery. So you also have to remember that you have to give the first tone very light, then you can move towards the darker tones. So first of all I'm going to color all these background objects first. Even I'm using the darker tones wherever they are needed to make the front figures highlighted. And one more thing you have to understand, that the prominent figure or prominent object should not be in center. It should be off center until unless you are making a symmetrical or formal composition. So never draw your main figure in the middle of the page or at the center of the page. Using burnt sienna for the house, not much detailed, and for buildings I'm just using blue color to just give the hint. For bench I'm using that burnt sienna color, and for the darkness I have used Prussian blue into burnt sienna. You should take care of patches there. If they are coming out, you should remove them immediately. After that it will be impossible to remove them, but I didn't pay attention towards that glowing color. After that I have completed this trees and houses. I have used very light tone or very light color for the skin. Maybe the blouse is a little transparent or her skin is visible from the clothes, so I have used some patches of the same skin color in the clothes. Again, not much, just flows of purple and blue as well as orange too for whole sari. Then coloring the man with yellow jacket, and after that I will color it with more darker tone as burnt sienna. The hair I have used ultramarine blue. Even for the jeans I have used the same color. Then giving the dark tone in jacket, that is burnt sienna. Few lines of burnt sienna in this sari to show the darkness or shadow. After that in here I have used burnt sienna for the dark tones, but I should have merged those colors so it would look good, but I didn't. The horizon line should not divide the artwork into 2 equal parts. I want these lines to be sharper. That's why I'm using a small brush where the background and these figures are meeting, so I don't want to outline those. That's why the dark tone I'm using there, and accurately I'm drawing actually the lines there and merging them into the background, so I would avoid outlinings. so automatically figures would be pop up. That's what I am trying there. That another mistake I have done here, that I have given lines there in the jeans, so that should be avoided. And again in sari I am giving the detail like little bit dark tone, and that design that I don't think looking very nice. It should be darker and lighter, and it should merge sometimes, but it is overall visible. I should have faded up. Then few more orange tones, then few more burnt sienna dark tone in the skin, drawing the eyes and other details, smaller details with a small brush, few lines in the background, and that's it. Overall composition has been completed. It's kind of less is more. I didn't try to make it and spend much more time for the detailing. It's look good, not that bad.